Hey everybody, welcome back. It's time for another 3-minute video. This one today is going to be about the courses that we are aligned with through the state of Ohio, project-based learning, and the idea of do what you have to do what you want to do. So let's get started. There are 4 courses that our students go through in order. They are visual creation. The second one is advertising and communication. The third one is digital image editing. And the fourth one is visual distribution. So each semester we have a different course. Visual communications is the ability to use a scanner to create original artwork for logos, to be able to understand typography and the most effective way to build projects, whether it's for a package or a flyer or a website. When we get into advertising and communications, by that time of the year, the last semester, we are working on the school yearbook a lot. And so there's a lot of entrepreneurship, ways to read demographics, be able to market and sell a product, which our yearbook is. And our teams that go to competition in the second half of the year, they are also developing entrepreneurship and business models. So that one makes perfect sense to be there. In the senior year, the very first semester is called digital image editing, and that's where we focus in on those applications that we use a lot, all the Adobe applications. And we've been doing that all along, but our tests specifically are over them. Illustrator, InDesign, Flash, Animate, Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and InDesign. Our 3 big, as I mentioned before, are Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. And then the fourth semester is visual distribution, and that is using 3D printing for prototyping or possibly game pieces for a printed piece, to be able to do direct garment printing or screen printing or embroidery, to be able to work on websites or PDF workflow, as well as things like video production and even computer animation. So that is a pretty extensive course. We pulled out those 4 which match our demographics for our area, as well as our equipment and the resources that we have to do a good job with those. So the whole idea is that during the course of the year, I will have a project out in front of these students every single day that will address issues in that curriculum that are specific to those courses. And when those students do those things in the project-based class, if there is time left over and they've done it to a level of acceptability, they can go back and work on graphic arts related skills specific to their goals to fill their portfolio. So if somebody's really big into drawing and we're way past our drawing unit and they're doing a t-shirt, if they've done that t-shirt well and would like to go back and work on drawing, they can. So we work together to make sure we keep the standards high and yet still build the portfolio for the success that those students have developed. So I hope that helps out. 3 minutes or less, pretty close. See you next time. Bye.